Hi everyone and welcome back to Micah's Everyday Escapes, and in today's episode I'm doing something a little bit different. I will be sharing or unboxing with you something that I had just ordered a few short days ago, and today it arrived at my doorstep, so I would love it if you would join me and unbox it with me as I share with you what it is as well as the company as well. But before I go any further, I would love to say a huge warm welcome to all of you who are tuning into my channel for the very first time, and another big warm welcome back to those of you who are returning back to my channel as well. So welcome or welcome back. Now, the company that I had ordered my item from is called the Foldie, which I came across on social media a couple of years ago, and I had ordered maybe say 3 or 4 of their other products that they had to offer before I hit go of ordering this specific item. And the 4 items that I had purchased prior to this were as follows, or are as follows, is going to be their crossbody bag, their sling bag, their book bag, and also a makeup slash cosmetic slash toiletry bag, whatever you want to call it. And I'll have those links listed below, as well as what I'm about to show you listed below, and the scenery behind me on my TV. I'll list that YouTube link below as well. But without further delay, the item that I purchased is their Foldie Travel Bag right here. And at the time when I purchased this a few days ago, it was buy one get one free, and I am not sure if they are still running that promotion, but this is what I ordered, and I gave the other one to my mom, and we actually are going to be enjoying it together here pretty soon. She, I think, already started to pack hers, I think. I'm not exactly sure, but anyway, this Foldie bag, it comes in several different colors, not just black, and they will be listed on their website. So they have like gray, black, beige, blue, teal, red, you name it. So the colors you can find on their website, and I think they also have purple too. But anyway, let's get this bag open and see what it looks like. So like I said, I think my mom opened hers already, so I was able to take a little sneak peek of it already, and I think she already has a few things in there. So it comes folded up nicely in this bag right here, and I do have to say it was nicely folded in the bag. So I know it looks a little bit on the small side since it is folded up. Well, as I knock myself out, so it looks a little bit small, but since it was folded in this bag, so this is what it looks like unfolded. Now you do have a nice pouch right here, which I believe you can fold it into as well, and the front here you can put storage in as well too. As you can see, it's pretty good size, and it also has another zipper in here as well. I'll set this back up as well. Moving on down, this bottom part expands as well too, where you can put say shoes, or if you're cruising, you can put some extra items in here as well. So you can, oh, it does expand. So it does expand as well, as you can see here, to make it a little bit taller if you so desire. I don't think you can put shoes on the bottom, but that was my correction. But yeah, so it expands pretty good too, which I'm just now finding out. And also it, as you can see, if you're traveling or flying, this will go over your suitcase handle in the back as well too, of that you can put this and roll it on top of your suitcase if you so desire. And I hear some people use it as like a bag that you can pack to take on the airlines, and you know, slide it underneath your seat as well too. And also here is what it looks like on the inside. So it goes, I know it's black, it's kind of hard to see, but I can tell you it is pretty deep, so you can get it. There we go. So it is pretty, let me just try and step back, but I know it's kind of hard to see because my mom and I both got black, but it goes pretty deep. And this is my Arctic tumbler, but yeah, it goes pretty deep, as you can see. So this is the Foldie bag in the nutshell, and it does have storage here as well, and a couple of things here and 4 pins as well. So yeah, it is pretty deep. So I feel like you can get a lot of stuff in here for what it's worth. And like I said, I like it so far. So anyway, I hope you check this out. I'll have the links in the description below, and I will also pin it in the first comment as well. So thanks for joining me on my unboxing of the Foldie Travel Bag. See you in the next one.